This video here is going to show you is just how you're going to run your packet pickup this evening and also tomorrow morning, but I'll be there in the morning to assist you with this. First thing you need to do, you need to log on to your It's Your Race profile, which you see on the screen that I have up right now. And then once you log in, you're going to go to My Account and you're going to Manage Events. And once you bring up your Manage Events, you're going to go to your event and then you're going to click Manage. Okay. And once you get into the Manage thing, the first computer you're going to want to set up, we want to set up the packet pickup computer. In the middle section of the screen, you see I got event URLs right here. There's a number of them. The first one we want to click the packet pickup one. And that's going to bring you to another screen where it's going to ask you to log in again and just hit login. And then from there, what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down. Well, in my case, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to find the race, which is Kaser Kids Run, and I'm going to hit select. And then what this does, it allows you to type in the last two letters, either of their first or last name. I would recommend last name because it's a little more unique. And then you're able to search those participants. So for instance, I believe Sid Crouch is pre-registered. He emailed me last night, maybe not. But let's just type in CR, see what we get. So we have these groups of people that come in. We got Crawford and McCrae Poston. And then what you're going to do, you notice that, say for Becca Crawford, it has what race she's doing, the 5K, so you get her the white bib. And then it says bib number. You're going to enter the white bib, just whatever number you pull from the top, you're going to type in. Let's just say 3681. I apologize for that.
Please report to the metal detectors at this time.
You're going to type in bib 3681, and then it's going to show you their gender, age, and then the biggest thing for you, what you're looking for, is the shirt size. Okay. At that point, you can get them their shirt size, and then what you're going to do, you're going to click Packet Picked Up, and then you will click Save. I'm not going to do it right now because it would save the information. And that basically saves the information in the computer. So in the morning when I come in, I'm able to get that information. And then you're able to do it with, as many people as you want. So the next person comes up, let's say their last name starts with B.O. Let's hope that someone has a B.O. last name. There we go. Whitney Bone. And then the same thing, she's the 5K, so she get a white bib. And then you type in the bib number that you're going to give her, what t-shirt size, and hit Packet Pickup and Save. Okay. The other computer we're going to have you set up, so you're going to need two computers, is going to be your registration computer. So people are going to be able to come to you and they're going to be able to register this morning with you. And how they're going to do that is that for the other computer, you'll go through the same steps. You'll log on to It's Your Race. You will go to My Account. You click Manage. And then you're going to get to this screen again. You're going to hit the registration kiosk. We're going to click that one this time. And then this will come up. And basically, it's going to show you how people will be able to register. Now, this isn't turned on right now because I haven't turned it on, and it will be turned on for you at that time. And then basically all they do is they're going to choose their race, 5K or 10K. They'll type in their information. They're going to agree to a waiver, and they'll get a chance to choose whether they want to pay with cash, check, or credit card. If they pay with credit card, they'll be able to pay right on this screen. If they pay with cash or check, what will happen is when you go to your packet pickup section, instead of having a payment status as complete, which I'm going to circle right here with my mouse, there'll be a box there, and it'll tell you that, hey, this person needs to pay. Obviously, it's a lot easier the morning of or this evening because you'll be sitting down with them, and they won't have a ton of people running in. So again, they're going to register here, and that computer, you can have that computer ready for them to register. This will be the computer with a packet pickup bib assignment that you'll be assigning them the bibs. So even after they register on this screen for the event, it saves automatically so that when they'll be able to save it and click register. And at that time, once they do that, when you're on your side on this screen, you'll be able to find their information instantly. So again, there'll be no paper involved. Everything will be done electronically tomorrow. If you have any questions on this, just give me a call or a text at 843-231-8059, and I'll be glad to help you. Once you do it once or twice, honestly, it becomes really, really quick, and I think you guys are going to rock it out. I hope you have good success with it, and thank you.